Hello and happy Friday. We're having souvlaki with my mom. Say hello. I got the beet balls with hummus. Not beet balls, no. I got the vegan zucchini balls with hummus. You got the chicken. Austin got the same thing as me, but he has slipped his back somehow, so he's laying on the couch to eat. Hello and happy Saturday. Austin's back is mostly-ish better. Does mostly-ish seem to...
Yeah, it's still sore, but
yeah,
I can move.
We are on our way to Lowe's to look at some stuff for a project that I'm going to keep secret at the moment because I'd rather just wait and reveal it when it's all done. So that'll be fun. I totally just scratched myself. But we also want to pop by the donation center and drop off some crap. And yeah, and I'm wearing a really cute skirt, my new skirt today. I'm very happy with it. I'm glad I got a different size. This is the one I got a different size. I went for the medium instead of large. The large was huge. So that's what we're up to at the moment. Hello and happy Sunday. I'm having my coffee. And I knew I said I was going to keep something secret, but I'm too excited, so I have to share. We're redoing the pantry. Here's all of our pantry crap. I really hope I didn't just show Austin's butt crack. It's completely empty. I'm so happy. I hate these wire shelves so much. So here's my outfit of the day. We're going to an engagement party. I'm wearing my beautiful Zimmerman. It's not super folly, but I don't know. It's what was calling me. I've got these old earrings. I got like a dollar store necklace I got from Megan's wedding from being a bachelor, being a bridesmaid, not a bachelor. Little belt from an old dress, my boots, my Brandon Maxwell bag, and a piece of tissue paper for the gift bag downstairs. Hey y'all, we're leaving the engagement party. Obviously did not film at someone else's private engagement party. They are private people. I did not want to have a camera up in their face, but it was lovely. And they had a delicious little vegan meal prepared for me in Austin. It was tofu and vegetables, curried tofu and vegetables over rice, and it was actually really delicious. So that was nice, and there was fruit. So that was really good. It was a nice little party. I was very happy to be invited. And now we're heading home. I think we might do a little bit of work. We might tear the wire rack stuff out of the pantry, but after the football game. He's got to watch the football game.
Well, you might be over by the time we get home.
Whatever's left of it. Yeah. But it was a nice chill day. So we've gotten a little more work done. Everything is ripped out. We'll have to patch some holes. Well, just, I don't know, caulking or whatever the heck it's called. These two are going to need a little more work, though. So we'll have to go back to the store and get a few materials. Overall, not bad. Hello and happy Monday. I just finished lunch. I had some ramen. It was delicious. But our vegan cuts box just came and Austin's out of the house, which means I can show you guys what came in it before he gobbles everything up. So let's go ahead and take a look. We have FitJoy garlic and basil pretzels. I think these will actually end up being mine. That sounds really good. Apricots. Every time we get these, I end up giving them away. We never eat these, but what are you gonna do? Monster cookie granola from Bakery on Main. I think we actually have another monster cookie granola. I kind of wish they'd stop sending the same thing over and over again. These are two things in particular we've gotten from them before. This one, we've even gotten the same exact flavor, so that's kind of annoying. Then we have from Nibmore, the blueberry organic dark chocolate. I think that'll end up being mine too. We have from Love Corn, sea salt flavored ones. Now, they sent a different flavor of these last time. And I didn't care for the flavor, but I wasn't like fully throwing away the idea of eating like corn this way. So I'm very interested to see the sea salt flavor and if it's a little better. From Banana, this is the organic crunchy plantain nuggets ranch flavor. That's interesting. That is fascinating. That's something we haven't gotten before, and I'm really curious about it. I feel like they almost look like croutons. Like maybe these would be really good on a salad or something. Then we have Maverick Cookies, birthday cake, lightning bolt cookies. So it feels like there's a bunch of little lightning bolts in there. Austin's probably going to be really into that. We also have strawberry shortcake flavored instant oatmeal from Bakery on Main. I don't know that we've gotten the strawberry shortcake flavor before. I don't recall. Then we have Herbaland gummies, snack with benefits, organic turmeric and ginger, pineapple flavored gummies. So that's fun. Austin loves gummies. We got a nut pod. This is cookie butter flavored. So very kind of almost moving into Christmas vibes. It's kind of cool. What is this? This is big. From Plant First, or is the brand Camp? I don't know. It says Plant First there, but then it says Camp here. Anyway, this is vegan cheesy mac. I've never heard of this brand. I've never seen this one, so I'm definitely really curious to see how that ends up tasting. And that's everything in the box. This box supports JP Farm Animal Sanctuary in Litchfield, Connecticut. So there's our little buddy. Doesn't say what his name is. Usually it says what their names are. Not a bad box. I am definitely excited about these garlic basil pretzels. I think that's the thing I'm most excited about because I have a feeling they're going to be delicious. Hello and happy Tuesday. I don't know why it completely skipped my mind to get before footage for the bag I just dropped off to get repaired. I had never gone to like a repair shop before, but I went up there. I got my new green belt from Loft. I got extra holes put in it so I could wear it on my waist. And then, hold on, I'm logging into my computer. My vintage black basket bag. Maybe you've seen it sitting on the ledge in the hallway. It's been sitting there forever. I've been meaning to for several years now to take that to get repaired, and I finally did. So it is up at the repair shop, and I should have it back in like 3 weeks-ish, but I didn't think to take before footage, and I really should have. But the handle's cracking, one of the like rivet thingies popping out, and it was a mess, but it's really old, so to be expected. It's old, but it's not like any sort of recognizable name brand, so repairing it isn't going to like damage the value because I don't know that it really had much of a value anyway. So I'm really excited to just make it a functional bag because it's gorgeous. So I can't wait to show you guys that. But I did get my belt back today because that only took a couple minutes. I'm just really excited about it. But anyway, keep in mind, like a month from now, you'll be seeing my cool black bag that got repaired. I'm very excited about it. Wow. Hello and happy Wednesday. I just got back from lunch with my friend Sarah. I did record a little clip of the food, so you'll see that. I went to the post office. I went to Whole Foods to do an Amazon return. I got a couple of things. It wasn't a giant haul, nothing too exciting, but this is exciting. The vegan croissants. We haven't had those in a while, so those will be yummy. And I gotta show you the Pantry. Austin started painting, and I love the color so much. It's so good. Look at this delicious macaroni and cheese straight out of the box. Yellow. It's beautiful. I love it. Here's my outfit of the day. I wear the Target dress and these vintage earrings that I was trying to sell on Poshmark, but I took them off. They were on there forever and weren't selling. And I decided to keep them. My boots, and then I had my little yellow purse. And actually, an older woman, when we were out at lunch, came up to me and was like, "Miss, I love your whole outfit." I was like, yay.
Francesca wants to say hello. Look at Mama, you goofy girl. Yeah, you're so party. Do you have your ball? That's actually a post from one of my pens, but she's commandeered it. Yeah. So, it was a lovely lunch. We went to Miss Shirley's, and they have a whole vegan menu. If you didn't know, you can request it or look it up online. And I got the avocado toast with like the succotash on top, and it was delicious. Loved that. And I got a side of hash browns, but it was so many hash browns. It was like it could have been its own hash brown meal. So I brought most of those home. Yeah. But I love this outfit. I gotta get a picture of it at some point today because it's so cute. So we went to the UPS store and we popped in Mom's real quick. And I found this vegan advent calendar. It was only $7.99. Every year I look online for a simple, plain vegan advent calendar with like candies or chocolates. And they're always like $1 million because like only nice companies tend to do them. But I found this little cheap one and I cannot tell you how elated I am. I can't wait to like stick this away until it's time to pop these open. I'm so excited. We're out for a walk today. It's a gorgeous day, probably by the post office. And then we're gonna walk over and drop off my mail-in ballot. So, just getting in a little outdoor time before it gets super cold. I'm voting. Here we go. We're about to head out to the auto bar to see the early November. I'm very excited. It's been years. Grabbing a jacket. And we're going.
Like you're gonna break. Did you say when will she notice me? In the earth like a hand grenade. Do you remember all those nights we never slept? No clothes, sweating. Doing all those things I never thought I'd do, and I did them with you. Late night, slow, get us to the hospital. Jamestown, night before West. In a 40-hour train back to bed. Don't know, sway into the rhythm of the whole song. Just don't let me go. Feels like a brick stuck in my throat. Holding everything my heart wants to find you.
home from the concert. My lip is spreading. I gotta take my makeup off. But I didn't show my outfit. I'm wearing just an old shirt. I think this might be from like Walmart 10 million years ago. My old thrifted skirt. I had my Docs on, and I've got the war bruises to prove it. All beat up. I got an early November sweatshirt, which I'm very excited about, and the show was so good. So this is probably the last clip for this vlog. I will talk to you all in the next one.